Hello, Phil. Can you hear me? Oh, very good. Good evening. Okay, how are you doing today? Very good. So, this is gonna be a two-part series training. First is we will practice English fluency and then basic interview practice. Okay? Very good. Very good. Can you please tell me your name and where are you from and your favorite hobby? Mm-hmm. Oh, very good. That's good to hear. Okay, perfect. May I know the reason why do you want to become a call center agent? May I know why? Oh, oh, very good. Very good. That's good to hear. And actually, looks like your English is already fluent. Ah, yes, I see. Mental block and grammar, but your writing is good. Confidence, right? I see. Yeah, when I was starting my call center journey to it's exactly the same that your problem that you're having now, but just a little bit practice and you will improve. Very good. May I know what's your favorite books? Those are very great books. Very good. Okay. Give me one very difficult English word that you encounter. Yeah. Sure. Take your time. No, no, that's a name of a place, right? No, no, that's a name of a place. Other English words, any. Recently, just lately, since you have reading books, I believe you encounter difficult words, right? English words. That will be your homework for now. Assignment. Yeah, okay. So we will practice some basic call center phrases. I will tell the phrase and then you will repeat after me, okay? Okay, let's go. Okay, repeat after me. Say, thank you for calling customer service. My name is Phil. How may I help you today? Again. You say, thank you for calling customer service. My name is Phil. How may I help you today? Very good. One more. One more. Say it again. Very good. Next phrase. I understand how you feel. Let me help you with that. Go. Sure. Again. I understand how you feel. Let me help you with that. One more. I understand how you feel. Let me help you with that. Very good. One more. Very good. Last phrase. Is there anything else I can help you with? Again. Is there anything else I can help you with? Go. Yeah, one more. Very good. Last. Okay. Say, this is what we call the closing spiel. Thank you for calling customer service. Have a great day. Have a have a great day. Sure. Thank you for calling customer service. Have a great day. Thank you for calling customer service. Have a great day. And say goodbye. Good, very good. Now that's the basic call center phrases. Let's move on to the interview session. Okay, so I will ask you basic questions. Just make sure to understand, answer in English. All right? And then I will give you the feedback after our training. Okay? Okay, so just push forward, improve your mental block. Don't worry if your answer is wrong or right. The most important thing is you give your best. Okay? All right. Yes. Okay. Great. Let's go. So first question is, Philip, can you please tell me something about yourself? And then you can end your answer. That is all. Very good. I will give you the feedback later after this training. Let's move on to the next question. Why should we hire you? Okay, great. That's a good answer, but I just want to add a little bit on your uh, before you begin your answer. If the question is why should we hire you, you can start by saying you should hire me because. Okay, let's do it one more time. Let's do it. Let's do it one more time. Okay, Philip, why should we hire you? Very good. I love those big words, but I will add something later after this training. So, last question, Philip, how would you handle angry customers? Angry customers or irate customers, rude customers. Very good. I love the answer. Put myself on my shoes. Yeah, that's a big word, especially for this question. Those are the phrase or words that we want to hear. It's called idioms for empathy or sympathy, right? And also discover the needs of the customer. Very good. And also, it's best if you add to solve the problem of the customer as soon as possible. Of the customer as soon as possible. Yes. And I will also, yeah, send the feedback after this training. So, yeah, overall, that's the training for today. Uh, your English is very good already. We just need to have a little more practice. And do you have any questions for me before we end, Philip? Yeah. So I love that you are already reading productivity books, especially productivity in finance productivity. This is a big help for the BPO industry. So I would suggest, since you're reading books, do a bit of a research, everything you can to learn about the BPO industry. And then before you sleep or after you wake up, I suggest you do journaling or writing, journal and writing. Yeah, after that, very good. After that, it's very important that you practice speaking English. uh, the same. After you write, you can practice speaking English to yourself at least 30 seconds or 1 minute every day, just by yourself. 1 minute. Push yourself. Yeah. Yeah. I think that's all for now. And yeah, thank you so much, Philip. It's a great training. Your English is already good. Just a little bit push and training, and keep up the good work. And I'll send you the feedback after this. Okay. Okay, thank you so much, Philip, and wish you best of luck to your success and goodbye.